Hey everybody, Ryan Redverson here with Grimsby Kia. Thanks for visiting our YouTube page. Just wanted to give you a quick walk around and review of our 2015 Forte SX. So come on, check it out. Just want you to notice very aggressive front grille. You've got LED light bars, HID headlights, as well as fog lights. Coming around to the side here, very nice alloy wheel. It's actually a 17-inch. You have four-wheel disc brakes, ABS, vehicle stability control, and traction control. Another really nice safety feature you have on this vehicle, you can see is your outside turning indicators. So that's going to let everyone know on the road exactly where you're going. Come on around as well. Really nice chrome trim over the door, really nice chrome trim on the handles as well. So checking out the back of this vehicle, you can see we've got the LED light bars, really bright, really adds a lot of nice kind of luxury to the look to the vehicle. You've got chrome exhaust tip right there. Come on around over here. So one of the great features of the SX model is actually having a smart key as well. So one of the great things is just being able to press a button to lock and unlock your vehicle. On the door here, you'll notice that we have your power folding mirrors right here, so you can fold it in, fold it out. If you leave it in the middle, it's going to just act as an automatic fold. And then you actually have your power setting for your seats right here, so it's a memory setting with two different settings for two different people. So come on in, we'll check out inside. You can see everything's very well appointed, really nice leather interior. You've got your carbon fiber kind of look to the center dash here as well. Leather wrap steering wheel that's actually heated. You have your audio control right here. This is for all your Bluetooth and voice activation, your cruise control, and then all of your information for the vehicle. This car comes equipped with electric power steering, and it actually has a mode where you can change the way that the power steering works, going from a normal to comfort to sport mode. You'll notice over here you've got your push to start, so it's really easy to apply the brake, push that button, the vehicle's going to start up for you. All touchscreen navigation right here. This is actually voice activated as well. It's going to bring up point of interest. It's going to help you get to wherever you need to go. Automatic climate control. So the great thing about that is you can actually have heat coming out to the driver. You can have AC going to the passenger. So however you guys feel comfortable, and it works like your home thermostat. So you're essentially going to just set a temperature. Once you're there, you're all good. Down here, you've got your power outlets. You've got USB and auxiliary. So any media that you need to hook up, you can power it. You can also run it through the system there. And this vehicle actually comes with a heated and cooled driver's seat, heated seats in the back, heated seat for the passenger as well. So why don't you get on in and we'll take it for a drive.